voudrais remercier le président Obama pour son témoignage de solidarité devant la tragédie que la France vient de connaître avec ces deux jeunes Français lâchement assassinés par des barbares et par des terroristes.
And I also want to thank President Obama for his expression of solidarity to the French people in light of the loss that we have felt at the cowardly killing of two young Frenchmen who were killed in a barbaric fashion by terrorists.
This was a heinous and cowardly act, and rest assured, as I said today, and will continue to say until it gets done, we're going to uncover whoever it is that was responsible for yesterday's cowardly act. We're going to find out why they did it, and they will be brought to justice. As for these extremists, here's what those who would cowardly attack our civilians don't get. And as this investigation moves forward, we will do everything in our power to make sure whoever carried out this cowardly act is held responsible. And as this investigation moves forward, we will do everything in our power to make sure whoever carried out this cowardly act is held responsible. Insurgents still launch cowardly attacks against innocent civilians. They have rampaged across cities and villages, killing innocent, unarmed civilians in cowardly acts of violence.
But by targeting France, the terrorists, the cowardly murderers, were targeting the world. In these restaurants, in these cafes, as well as the Bataclan, that concert venue,